Are you a rideshare driver who needs extra cash? Meet Wallet. We're a cash advance company trusted by over 90,000 drivers. We help drivers who need cash advances for paying insurance, vehicle maintenance repairs, gas money, and any of your business-related endeavors. We have an extremely fast application process, allowing you to have your money in 24 hours. It's fast, no impact on your credit score, and no credit checks. We approve your application based on cash flow from your rideshare business. Join Wallet today and never worry about being strapped for cash again.
For those who may not know what Boost Plus is, and you may not have it in your area, like we don't have it in my area,
bro, because you understood this. I still don't understand this. So you knock this one out. I have no idea what this means.
Uber Plus is changing yet again. Now they're calling it "Get Ready to Earn" by Active Time, which
what the F?
Oh, Jesus Christ. So I'm going to read through this, and people, if you're paying attention to this and understand this off the get-go,
yeah, please let me know.
You got much better than both Sergio and I did, because we had to reread this a couple of times. We were on the phone for like 10 minutes trying to figure this whole thing out.
I couldn't figure it out.
So it says, "Hi, Vincent, sign up now for Active Time Boost Plus." Why do we have to have like 9,000 different ways to earn? Just give me my pickup, give me my time, give me my distance. And if we're going to throw something extra on, just make it a per ride. I don't need this active time bullshit.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, but Active Time Boost Plus to start earning Boost Plus based on active time. That whole sentence is annoying. That needs to be reworked. Active time includes time from trip acceptance to trip completion. Yes, we know that. Now you can make the most of your time, trip time, as the time spent on each trip counts towards Boost Plus. Promotion amounts are based on time from trip acceptance to completion during an eligible Boost Plus hour and within the Boost Plus zone. For example, a 30-minute trip starting in a $10 per active hour Boost Plus zone would receive you a $5 payout. Find Boost Plus amounts on offer cards and trip receipts and easily view how much extra you're earning. That second paragraph, what the hell is that? I literally had to reread this like 6
I got
or 7
this from 2 drivers in 2 different cities, Chris. This is happening. So does anybody has this thing? Really, this is
if you have it,
let us know. Explain it to me in an email.
If you understand it, right? If you could read it right now, or if you understood what I said, just put like a thumbs up or a Y or a yes or something, because I really want to know if you got that.
No, I didn't get it. I'm telling you. Okay, the only thing I can think of is this, Chris. Okay, so you know how Boost Plus is like 1 hour, right? Yeah. Mostly in a specific zone. You have to pick up in there to get the extra cheese. Like on the right side, it says confirm for $6 extra per active hour with Boost Plus. Now, per active hour, it says now. It doesn't say per trip, because before it would be, let's say, $3 Boost Plus for 1 hour. What do? I do 4 shorties, right? In 1 hour, collect $12, right? Now it says $6 for the whole active hour. What if I'm only active half the time? So that means I'm getting $3. Is that what this means?
Mm-hmm. That's exactly what it means.
What
so right here, where it says confirmed for $6 extra per active hour, you will not get $6 extra unless you have somebody literally in the car for the entire hour. Because you have to active hour. Other than that, they're going.
They want you to do long trips, Chris. They want you to do long trips. Take 1 long trip for a whole active hour for
10 minutes that you have somebody in the car or you're on the ride. So periods 2 and 3.
What the freak?
When you accept a ride to when you complete it, for every 10 minutes, you're going to earn $1 extra. So it's not a per ride; it's a per active hour conglomerate. So if you take 4 short rides, and let's say they're all 10 minutes each from the moment you accept to the moment you drop off, you're only going to get $4 extra. You're not going to get anything extra beyond that.
Oh my God.
So this is absolutely ridiculous and absurd.
This is horse shit. You know I'm talking to here. This is bad. This is another cut right here. This is another cut right here.
First off, why does it have to be so many games and so much? I mean, let's do a quick run through of all the different bonuses that they have. They have Surge, which we all love. They have Boost Plus. They have Boost Plus Now this Active Time Boost Plus, they have weekly earnings that are broken down either by ride count or by dollar amount. So you have to have so many dollars congruent or like aggregated together in order to actually earn that. It's not based on the amount of rides that you've given. They have streak bonuses. They have Boost Plus streaks as well. So you have to be within that area in order to get it, and then have the streak zone. You have all of these different. Why does it have to be so difficult? Why can't we just have time, distance? We know where the pickup, the drop off is, time and distance to get paid for the trip, and then any additional bonus, just put it as a per trip basis. It doesn't need to be anything crazier than that. It just needs to be simple and easy. Back to basics, make it simple, not this bullshit. How is, I mean, I consider myself, semi-educated. I went to college and all that good stuff.
Bro, that English, whoever
I had
wrote
to read
that,
through that how many times in order to truly understand what that meant. For the
this
face
is from
value,
their app. I don't know.
average person
Somebody
that's
wrote
going
that
to
shit.
look at this, for the driver that's going to look at this, they're not gonna read that active time. What they're gonna see is confirmed for
Oh,
$6
there you go.
extra. They're gonna look at $6. They're gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna make $6." No, you're not. You're not making $6 on this one. You're getting paid on a per active hour. So for every 10 minutes, that's $1.
So pro rata. So if I only was active for half hour, I'm gonna get $3.
Yep.
Bullshit.
So while
This
you're
is
sitting there
horrible.
waiting, that timer is counting down because it looks like it's only for this one, it's from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. So it's only going to be that time. So I'm going to tell you, what do you think their goal is on this? I was thinking
I
about this.
figured one for you to accept every garbage, to be active as much as you can to get that $6, and or do just one long trip, pick it up and go and make $6.
I think it's twofold. I think they're trying to get you to accept more by doing this. Probably trying to pull a fast one over people, saying, "Oh, I'm going to get $6 extra per active hour." Again, the average driver
Who
may not even
understands
know
this
what the
shit?
hell that's going to mean, or be able to break it down, because it's going to be based on how long somebody's in. Either you accept the trip to the time it's completed. I mean, nobody's going to keep track of that, so they're not going to know. Yeah, optics, exactly. And
Rebecca, how are you, Rebecca? We're gonna have you on shortly. We don't know when yet, but we will.
looking forward to that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this is crazy. Like, why can't you give me an extra $2 or something,
Hey,
extra
there you go.
$4?
Kevin got it.
All I need to
Kevin
know
got
that
it.
it's simple.
That's it. Yep,
Yeah, more rides
exactly.
for less.
That is deep.
But on
I
top of
agree
that,
100%.
if you have something like that, you want to try to be active the entire hour so you can actually get that $6 extra. What does that mean? Are you going to take the longer pickups with the short rides attached to it? Are you going to take the long ride, or are you going to take the long pickup and the long ride? I mean,
okay, that's not going to work, Bear Claws. If you're cherry picking this thing, it's not going to work for you because you're going to sit there and get nothing. If you could do one trip, you're going to get like prorated bullshit. It's not going to work for you.
Yeah, this is based on the time between 11 and 12 for this particular one where it says $6 extra. So if you're sitting there cherry picking, you have less time that you're active, which means you're not going to be collecting part of that $6, which is absolutely ridiculous.
This is not working. This is horrible. I don't have it in LA, so whoever has it, I know who Vincent is. They didn't put the last name in there. I think he's, I know where he's at. But if you have this, please email me, Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. And if you do some trips with this, just show me the results, how much less money you're making with this. What is it called? Boost Plus, Active Hour Plus?
Active Time Boost Plus, extra bullshit.
Extra bullshit with extra cheese on it. Seriously. Oh.
Look, this isn't an hourly thing.
I'm talking to,
here's the biggest thing. When it comes, first of all, this isn't W-2. This isn't a job. This is independent contractor work, which you are paid by the job. Keep it paid by the job, not this active hour crap. Per job. That means per pickup or per ride that you take, just give me that extra $2, extra $4 per ride. It's simple. It's easy. We know what it is per ride. We can calculate it. It's simple right there. Not this, oh, you got the car for, you have somebody active for 18 minutes. There's 12 minutes off. Then you're active for another 8 minutes throughout the hour. I mean, and then here's the other thing. Is it a hard cutoff at midnight? Like this 11 to 12? Is it a hard cutoff? Or does it all go all the way until I drop that particular person off?
That's a great question. That's a great question.
At 11:59 p.m., a minute before it ends. I mean, let's do a few minutes before that because
that's a great question.
Their clocks like to shift a little bit depending. But let's say you accept the ride, and let's say it's a 45-minute trip, and it takes you 15 minutes to go pick that person up. So you are active for an entire hour. Will you make on top of that another $6 on top of whatever you made during that time?
Or that 1 minute you're gonna make? Yeah.
Or is it a hard cutoff at midnight? Or the time that
it's great question. You know who you are. Question coming to you tomorrow. That's a great question, bro. What if they paid you just for a minute of that 60 minutes?
Yeah. And there you go. Like this is stuff that we need to know. So overall, I think this is dog crap and just needs to be thrown out and just go to a extra per dollar per ride. Keep it simple, keep it easy. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.